We're good to go.
Doctor, good evening, Doctor.
Hi,
Hi.
GS. Hi, Reggie. Hi, Pari.
Hi.
Yeah, good evening.
Hi, Shashi ma'am. Good evening, all.
Good evening.
Good evening, Doctor.
Okay. Yes.
To go?
Yeah.
Sarana, please.
Yes, I think I can start it.
Yeah, Sita, you can start, Sita.
Very good evening to all distinguished dignitaries, AG Rotarian Ajay Gupta, GGR Rotarian Vedavalli, Chief Guest Rotarian Devendran, and other Rotarians, aunts, aunts, and guests of today's evening. With great joy and immense exhilaration, I extend my warm welcome to everyone present here. As we come close to the Rotary year 2020-21, one of the most challenging years ever, it's a great pleasure to meet you all virtually for a very important event in Rotary, the Vocational Service Awards. In the midst of all the cares around, Rotary can and will be a bright light, a shining beacon of goodwill, humanitarian effort, and also gives us the much needed fun at these trying times. And the good God knows we all need some of all of that. Thanks to all of you ahead of time for your willingness to give. I'm forever impressed by this club and the individuals in it who collectively walk forward hand in hand to eat together, laugh together, and work together to accomplish much. Now, as we start the function, I'd like to request our club president, Rotarian Reggie Jose, to call himself and call the meeting to order.
Great, everyone.
Thank you, Sarana. Service Award evening meeting called to order.
Thank you, President. Now, invocation blends and unifies, bringing together the power of both prayer and meditation. When we use prayer with deeply focused intent, the art of meditation, for the power of the highest good, it becomes more truly scientific and has far-reaching effects. So let's all rise and pray to the Almighty with the invocation song sung by Anne Kala in her most sweetest voice. Anne Kala?
Just mute everyone.
Srimanarayana, 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 Sripadame Saranu. Kamala Sati Mukha, Kamala 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 Priya, Kamale Shana, Kamala Sati Mukha, Kamala Kamala Gita, Kamala Priya, Kamale Shana. Kamalāsana Gita, Garuda Gamana, Kamalanabhame, Pada Kamalame, Sharanu, Srimanarayana, 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 Sripadame Sharanu. Paramayogi Jana Padaseya Sri Paramapurusha Parapara Paramayogi Jana Padaseya Sri Paramapurusha शरणो नारायण श्रीमन्नारायण श्रीमन्नारायण श्रीपादमे शरणो Thank you.
Thanks so much, Ankala. It was as if we start the day with MS Amma's music, and your music was as sweet as that. And we wish to hear sometime very soon in person. Thanks a lot for the soothing and lovely start to the evening, Ankala. I would now request our president, Rotarian Reggie Jose, a leader in the true sense who leads and motivates our club, ensuring that club members feel valuable, inspired, and connected to each other. We request him to address our club.
Thank you so much, ma'am. A warm welcome to our district leaders, Rotarian Dev, AG, Rotarian Ajay Gupta ji, GGR, Rotarian Vedavalli ma'am, our heroes and heroines of the evening, Vocational Service Award winners, invited guests, and to our fellow Rotarians, aunts, aunts, and prospective members and their families. A very warm welcome to you. Today is a very special evening for us on two counts. Albert Einstein once famously said, "Only a life lived in the service of others is worth living." So we as a club take this opportunity to recognize a few greats around us in our very, very small and humble way. The kind of service that all of you are doing is immense. And this is our little way to recognize the good work each of you are doing. Please continue to do the good work also. And your presence, and as we read your profile and as we get to know you, you serve as an inspiration to all of us, especially our ANATs, our next generation to come. So, so happy to have all of you with us. Also, we have another special occasion to celebrate. We are inducting 6 new families into a 19-year-old family of Rotary Club of Royapettah. A joyous occasion indeed for all of us to build more bonds and hold hands with each other in these trying and testing times. Thank you so much.
Thanks a lot, President Rotarian Reggie Jose, for the short and sweet welcome note. The Vocational Service Award is presented annually to someone in the community who has exemplified outstanding professional achievement while maintaining very high ethical standards. In applying the objects of Rotary, Rotarians promote and foster high ethical standards in business and professions and recognize the worthiness of all useful occupations. Vocational service calls on Rotarians to empower others by using their unique skills and expertise to address community needs and help others discover new vocational opportunities. Rotary Vocational Service Award recognizes the dignity of employment and volunteer involvement by honoring the exemplary service of an outstanding individual or business in our community. I would now request our Vocational Service Director, Rotarian Pari Sridathan, to enumerate the activities of RCR Vocational Service.
Am I audible, Sitan?
Yes,
Yeah. அனைவருக்கும் என்னுடைய மாலை வணக்கம். Dear RCR family, friends, and my dear Rotarians and district vocational chair Devendran and AG Ajisan. Good evening, welcome you all. So first, I will explain 3 things here. First, I will explain what is vocational service in terms of Rotary. Vocational service என்ன அப்படின்றத ஃபர்ஸ்ட் சொல்றேன். செகண்ட், why we are giving this vocational excellence award to people. அது ஏன் இந்த அவார்டை வந்து எல்லாருக்கும் நம்ம கொடுக்குறோம் அப்படின்றதையும் I will explain very briefly. And finally, what is the procedure we follow to select these candidates. அதாவது இப்போ இன்னைக்கு அவார்ட் கொடுக்க போறவங்களை நாங்க எப்படி செலக்ட் பண்ணோம் அப்படின்றதையும் நான் எக்ஸ்பிளைன் பண்றேன். So first, what is vocational service? Vocational service is the second avenue of service among the 5 avenue of service which Rotary International recognizes as committed to serve the society. So what it says is, it says that each and every Rotarian should work with honesty and integrity in his profession. எந்த தொழில் செய்தாலும், எந்த தொழிலோ இல்லை எந்த வேலை செய்தாலும் அதில் வந்து நேர்மையாகவும் நியாயமாகவும் எல்லாரும் செயல்படணும் அப்படின்றது ரோட்டரி சொல்லுது. நெக்ஸ்ட் வந்து we should follow high ethical standards in our business and profession. and also it dignifies each occupation of a Rotarian as an opportunity to serve the society. ரொம்ப சிம்பிளா எல்லாருக்கும் புரியுற மாதிரி சொல்லணும்னா serve the society using your occupation. அதாவது நம்ம வந்து நிறைய தானங்கள் இருக்கு, அன்னதானம் இருக்கு, பொருள் தானம் இருக்கு, வஸ்திர தானம் இருக்கு, அது மாதிரி நிறைய தானங்கள் இருக்கு. நம்ம எய்தர் நம்ம செய்யும் தொழில் மூலமாகவோ நாம் செய்யும் வேலை மூலமாகவோ நாம் பெற்ற அறிவை மற்றவங்களுக்காக பயன்படுத்துறது தான் ஒகேஷனல் சர்வீஸ். இதை வந்து நான் அறிவு தானம் அப்படின்னு கூட சொல்லலாம். நம்ம பெற்ற அறிவை சொசைட்டிக்காக நம்ம ஸ்பெண்ட் பண்றது தான் இட் இஸ் கால்ட் ஒகேஷனல் சர்வீஸ். நெக்ஸ்ட் coming to next topic, why we are giving this vocational excellence awards அப்படின்னு பாத்தீங்கன்னா, if you take any company, இந்த கம்பெனி எடுத்தாலும் அது ஒரு சிஇஓ இல்ல ஒரு தலைமை இருக்கும். அந்த தலைமை கீழே வந்து பாத்தீங்கன்னா ஒரு ஸ்ட்ரக்சர் இருக்கும். ஃபார் எக்ஸாம்பிள் நிறைய ஜிஎம்ஸ், ஜெனரல் மேனேஜர்ஸ் இருப்பாங்க, மேனேஜர்ஸ், ஒர்க்கர்ஸ் அண்ட் இன்ஜினியர்ஸ் நிறைய பேர் இருப்பாங்க. ஏன்னா பிகாஸ் அந்த கம்பெனியோடைய கனவுகளை செயல்படுத்துறதுக்கு இந்த ஸ்ட்ரக்சர் இஸ் வெரி எசென்சியல். என்ன நினைக்கிறாங்களோ அது ஒருத்தரால செய்ய முடியாது. யூ நீட் a big team of people to execute the dreams, converting this dreams to reality. அதே மாதிரி தான் நம்மளுடைய இந்த உலகத்துக்கு, இந்த யூனிவர்ஸுக்கு சிஇஓ வந்து கடவுளை வந்து டைரக்டா வந்து இந்த சொசைட்டியை வந்து காப்பாற்றவோ இல்லைன்னா வந்து எல்லா மக்களையும் பாதுகாக்கவோ முடியாது. அப்ப என்ன பண்ணுவாரு? he has selected and picked few people from this society to do the service. ஸோ அந்த மாதிரி தேர்ந்தெடுக்கப்பட்ட சில மக்கள், சில பேர் வந்து என்னன்னா they dedicate themselves above to serve the society above the self. So that is what now we are doing. அந்த மாதிரி தங்களை மக்களுடைய நலனுக்காகவும் இந்த சமூகத்தினுடைய நலனுக்காகவும் தங்களை அர்ப்பணித்துக் கொண்ட சுயநலமற்ற எந்தவித எதிர்பார்ப்பும் இல்லாத போன்ற மனிதர்களை இந்த ரோட்டரி சங்கம் கண்டுபிடித்து அவர்களை வந்து நாங்க வந்து அப்ரிஷியேட் பண்றோம். இதை ஏன் நம்ம பண்ணணும் அப்படின்னு நீங்க கேட்கலாம். பிகாஸ் இன்னைக்கு நம்ம செலக்ட் பண்ணிருக்க இந்த 3 பேருமே அத்தகைய மனிதர்கள் தான். நம்ம கொடுக்க போற இந்த அவார்டு வந்து ஒரு பெரிய அவங்களுடைய பண்ணிருக்க சேவைக்கு வந்து இது ரொம்ப ரொம்ப மிக சாதாரணம். அவங்க பண்ண 3 பேரோட ப்ரொஃபைல் நீங்க பார்க்க போறீங்க. அவங்க பண்ணிருக்க சேவைக்கு இது வந்து மிக மிக சாதாரணம். பட் ஏன் கொடுக்குறேன்னா, யூ டேக் ஒரு மேரத்தான் ரன் பண்றோம்னு வச்சுங்க, 50 கிலோமீட்டர் மேரத்தான் ரன் பண்றவங்களுக்கு அது பெரிய வில் பவர் வேணும், நல்ல ஸ்டாமினா வேணும். அந்த மாதிரி ஓடும்போது நீங்க பார்க்கலாம், வழிநடுகளை ரோடு ஒர்க்ல இருக்கும்போது நிறைய பேர் வந்து உங்களுக்கு சின்ன சின்ன வாட்டர் பேக்கெட்ஸ் தருவாங்க, குளுக்கோஸ் தருவாங்க. எதுக்குன்னா they wanted to sustain that energy level till this person reaches the finish line. So அந்த அது மாதிரி இப்ப நம்ம கொடுக்க போற இந்த அவார்டும் இப்ப இங்க இருக்க 3 பேருக்குமே வந்து definitely it will act as a small booster so that அவங்க வந்து இன்னும் நல்லா பண்ணணும் அப்படின்றது அப்படின்னு அவங்க நினைக்கணும்ன்றதுக்காக தான் தவிர இதன் மூலமா actually Rotary Club of Rayapeta feels very proud to honor all these 3 awardees. Coming to my last session, how do we select this? Actually RCR does it in a very professional way year after year. We have set up a core committee consisting of Vasu sir, who is a charter member and past president of this club, as the head of the committee, and along with him Sasi Suresh madam, who is a past president of this club, as well as Ganesh sir, who is also the past president of the club. So apart from him, de facto members myself and the president of the club. So this core committee evaluated all the proposals received from the members, and they have unanimously selected all these 3 in no time. ஒரு குரூப் ஒன்று வாட்ஸ்அப் குரூப் ஃபார்ம் பண்ணி இந்த 3 ப்ரொஃபைல போட்ட அடுத்த ஒரு 10 நிமிஷத்துக்குள்ள எல்லாருமே ஓகே ஓகே ஓகேன்றாங்க. இவ்வளவு ஃபாஸ்டா இந்த டிசிஷன் நான் பார்த்தது இல்லை. ஸோ வெரி within no time they have selected all these 3 people. That such a way they are credentials of these awardees. I thank the committee members for their efforts and time for selecting these members. Also, I thank the Vocational Service District Director Devendran. அவர் அது மாதிரி தான் ஜஸ்ட் மெயில் போட்டு நீங்க தான் சீஃப் கெஸ்ட் சொன்ன அடுத்த வித்தின் 2 minutesல கன்ஃபார்ம் பண்ணார், ஐ வில் பி தேர் சொன்னார். ஸோ within no time. So thank you so much Dev for your immediate acceptance. With this I will end my speech. நன்றி, வணக்கம். Thank you. Sita, you are muted, I think. Sita, you are unmuted.
Thanks a lot, Rotarian Pari, for the insights of how this award works and how the committee works. Thanks a lot. நெல்லுக்கு இறைத்த நீர் வாய்க்கால் வழியோடி புல்லுக்கும் மாங்கே பொசியுமாம் இப்பூ உலகில் நல்லோர் ஒருவர் உளரேல் அவர் பொருட்டு எல்லோருக்கும் பெய்யும் மழை. இது நம்ம எல்லாருமே படிச்சிருக்கோம் சின்ன வயசுல. But I think today is the day when we are going to see such individuals because of whom the world still sustains such pandemic times. So we are so happy to get into the main part of this function, the awards. First, before we get into it, I request Rotarian Subbu to introduce the first hero of the day, Mr. M.S. Gopal.
Thank you, Sita. Good evening, all of you. Good evening, Ajay ji. So, our guest of honor, Devendran, GGR, Vedavalli, and fellow Rotarians, guests, and all award winners. So, it's a great privilege for me to introduce
Everyone mute themselves.
So it's a great privilege for me to introduce our hero, Mr. M.S. Gopal. Heroes come in many forms and they don't always wear a cape. A smile, a word, or an action is sometimes all it takes. They help us without thinking, sometimes putting themselves at risk. We too have one such great hero among us, a true hero, our one and only M.S. Gopal. His services to the community and society is unmatched. Manapakam Srinivasan Gopal, popularly known as MSG Sir, MSG Uncle, came from a humble background and grew up in the temple city of Kanchipuram. Mr. Gopal had completed his BCom from Delhi University. While studying, Mr. Gopal had done odd jobs in small companies to ensure that he self-funds his education. For the first 3 years after graduation, he worked in small companies to sustain himself. And in 1980, he got a breakthrough and joined Sundaram Finance as stenographer. Climbed up the corporate ladder through sheer hard work and dedication. He held various portfolios and became a DGM before he retired. While he was in Sundaram Finance, we are happy to see even he was also a Rotarian in Madurai and spent 3 years and contributed immensely during the time when he was a Rotarian in Madurai. His motivation on social service came from his parents who used to help needy people. During that time, he observed the happiness of his parents while helping. This made a big mark in him when he was a child. During later years, he was a member of Vishwa Hindu Parishad and used to volunteer to go to hospitals, old age homes, offering them monetary support, purchasing groceries for them, and more importantly, spending quality time with them, which is invaluable in the minds of those old people. In 2012, he decided to hang up his boots and retired in spite of the management wanting him to stay in this company even after 4 years of extension. That is the amount of dedication he had for the company. He realized that there is a life beyond work, and then he hung up his boots. Afterwards, MSG Sir never looked back. At 62, when everyone wants to relax, he became more active and was one of the pioneering team members of Polo Racers and started running. He has successfully completed over 100 races of 10 kilometers and a couple of marathons, some of them being charity runs. He was one of the founding members of NGO Vanaville, which focused on Go Green initiative, and as a team planted many trees in and around Madanantapuram area. He was also a founding member of LC Charitable Trust, aims at providing financial help to the underprivileged families and scholarships for underprivileged children. The trust commenced with a meager sum of 10,000 and now grown significantly. Last year alone, 3.5 lakhs of scholarships was given to the children of underprivileged families. During 2015 flood in Chennai, MSG Sir, along with team, collected a lot of stuff like blankets, clothes, groceries, water, etc., worked with Panchayat and supported residents of Bharaniputtur walking in waist high water. During Varada cyclone and Kerala floods, he was in the front driving the volunteering effort, collected and dispatched a lot of stuff to the people in the affected areas in Chennai as well as in Kerala. He has individually supported many families under poverty line in the neighborhood and always carries money in his pocket even during morning walks so that he can give money if someone needs it. MSG Sir has been making numerous contributions and support to many such as providing wheelchairs for the aged disabled people, supporting hospitalization expenses for needy people, and many honorable contributions. During the
Subbu, you need to unmute yourself. I have muted everyone.
Yeah, okay.
Thank you.
During the first wave of COVID, when most of us feared even to come out of our home, MSG Sir was out there helping out each and every family affected with all they needed, starting from milk and groceries, medicines and transportation. During the lockdown, which ran over 50 days, he was instrumental in working with eTotem, a government organization, and organized fresh vegetables and fruits for the community so that no one needs to step out, and also channelized residents by batches to ensure no crowding takes place during this pandemic. And he contributed 15,000 per month for 1 year for 15 auto driver families during last 1 year when their livelihood suffered due to the lockdown and pandemic. He also was contributing to the other poor, small flower vendors and other poor families. The auto stand drivers see him as a living God. He has been contributing to the small temple archakas who were severely impacted due to the COVID. On the vaccination front, during the last few months, the community have vaccinated close to 350 people. This could not have happened without the help of MSG Sir. MSG Sir was in the forefront driving the vaccination in the community, working with the association and Greater Chennai Corporation. Many residents in the community, frontline staff, including security personnel, housekeeping, domestic helpers, drivers, and other frontline staff took the jab. During the COVID second wave, this really hit us very hard. Second wave increased the number of cases on a daily basis, and many houses were quarantined in the community and also around. So he was giving moral support and confidence to the impacted families and much needed support, such as guiding them to the doctors, food availability, test labs, arranging vegetables, groceries, calling them on a daily basis to check on their well-being, and giving them more needed emotional and psychological support. Even during, unfortunate eventuality which happened, so when the families were shattered, he was there with them to support them. So Mr. Gopal yesterday donated oxygen concentrated to the community to be used in case of need or urgency. His son, Sriram Gopal, who lives in the US, was one of the person instrumental in mooting this idea of donating the oxygen concentrator. We'd like to thank Sriram Gopal for mooting this idea. One of the biggest pillars of support for Mr. Gopal is Janaki Gopal, his wife, a retired government employee, who was extending fullest support for all the activities he was performing, and his son, Sriram Gopal, and family, who currently lives in the US. When I asked him why is he doing all this service when he can relax, and he humbly says, when he does something, people do wish and thank him, which gives a lot of satisfaction and gives him mental peace, which he attributes to selfishness. But for us, it is altruism. He is truly the Karna of modern times. To conclude, we would say he is a true Apat Pandavan and is always ready and available to lend a helping hand with broad and amicable smile, and never say no attitude to anyone in need of help and support. Ladies and gentlemen, presenting to you the unsung hero, the one and only MS Gopal Sir.
Thanks a lot for the wonderful introduction. Yeah, so it's great that MS uncle is pinned here. Karna Parambara பத்தி கேள்விப்பட்டிருப்போம், இப்போ நேர்ல பார்க்கிறோம். பரம்பரையா இந்த குணம், we wish it continues. Thank you, MS Gopal uncle. So now, am I audible?
Thank you for the nice introduction.
Am I audible?
Yeah, you're audible, Sita. You're audible.
Am I audible?
Yeah, you are audible. Maybe
now is the time to present him with the
Dev, maybe you can.
important.
Yeah.
Sorry.
Yeah, Dev, you can do the honors, Dev.
Yeah. Thank you for
I
giving me
request
the
our
honor
chief
to give award. Rotary Club of Rayapeta, Rotary International District 3232, bestow Vocational Excellency Award to Mr. M.S. Gopal, philanthropist, trustee and founding member of Honorable, for his exemplary service for the betterment of mankind and sustainable development. Awarded on Saturday, the 5th June 2021 at Chennai, signed by Rotarian President Riji Jose, Raghunathan K.S. Secretary, Rotarian Pari, Director of Vocational Services. We are proud to give you honoring this certificate of excellence award, sir. Thank you. அவர் சொன்ன மாதிரி சுப்பிரமணியன் இன்ட்ரோடியூஸ் பண்ண மாதிரி லாஸ்ட்ல ஒரு வேர்ட் சொல்லணும்னு நினைச்சேன், அது ஒரு சொல்லிட்டாரு. வாழும் கர்ணன், கலியுக கர்ணன். Thank you for accepting our award, sir.
Can we all give a Thank you. Thanks again. Now the next philanthropist. I request Rotarian Pari to introduce the next COVID task force warrior, Ms. Priya Vardesh.
Sorry to disturb, Sita.
Yeah.
Before going to next person, let the awardee accept the award.
Yeah. Okay. Let him speak.
Good evening to all. The President, Rotarian Riji Jose, Secretary, Rotarian Raghunathan, Director, Vocational Service, Rotarian Pari Sridathan, Rotarian Subramaniam and Sita Subramaniam, and other Rotarians and aunts for recognizing me and giving me the wonderful award. I am really elated and overwhelmed to receive this award. Firstly, I would like to thank my parents who taught us the value of helping others, doing service to the deserving people, and the pleasure we get out of it. Secondly, my wife Janaki, who is instrumental in backing all my good activities, encouraged me in rendering services to the needy people. She used to tell that we make a living by what we get, and we make a life by what we give. Next is our son Sriram and daughter-in-law Akshaya, who always motivated my services by saying it is better to be a helping hand than praying lips is the comfort we derive. I also thank my brothers, sisters, and their family for continuously encouraging and motivating me, and for the same reason, I thank all my friends. Lastly, this COVID reminds me of two axioms. Adversity introduces a man to himself. Calamity is the touchstone of a brave mind. With this, I take my leave. Thank you everyone for the opportunity and selecting me for this award. Thank you for the award.
That was so inspiring. Thank you so much, Uncle. Thanks, Gopal Uncle. So just for everyone's we have heard of our Tala MS Dhoni, but Uncle MSG is the Tala of the community. Tala MSG. Thank you, Uncle. Thanks. The award is more honored by you. Next, May I request our Annette Shreya Reggie to introduce the next COVID task force warrior, Ms. Priya Vardesh. Shreya.
Thank you so much. Good evening. It is my privilege to introduce Ms. Priya Vardesh, an IT professional turned farmer, social activist, and a nature lover. She has completed her BE in computer science, bachelor's in farm tech, and MS in management information systems. After having lived a self-sustainable life by cultivating fruits and veggies in a community garden and donating food to Greater Chicago Food Pantry for nearly 10 years, she moved back to India in 2012 after quitting her IT career in precision technologies. She currently works with many small farmers and tribal people in the Western Ghats near Tandikudi in Kamanur. In April 2021, a friend affected by COVID at Delhi was fighting for his life and desperately needed help. Ms. Vardesh and few of her college friends quickly jumped into action and frantically searched for sources to save him. With a lot of effort, they were able to get him timely hospital care and provide emotional support during his recovery. This is how the COVID task force began, with a few friends and volunteers in April. In the course of a month, the volunteer base expanded massively with the help of service-minded people in India, USA, Europe, Singapore, etc. 5 members from RC Roypeta are part of our COVID task force and are supporting people in need. She actively participates in various technical meetings and training programs organized by the Horticultural Research Station, the Spices Board, the Coffee Board, and other organizations. She is also a member of the Regional Advisory Committee at the Horticulture Research Station and one of the board members of the Tamil Nadu Organic Farmers Federation. She has received several accolades, including Velan Semel by the Tamil Nadu government and the Pinnacle Award by Shaper Entrepreneurship in 2016, to name a few. We're really happy to have you here, ma'am.
Thanks a lot, Shreya. That was such an inspiring journey of Ms. Priya Vardesh. Now, may I request Rotarian Devendran to present her with the award.
Coming, the slide is Rotary Club of Rayapeta. Club Rotary International District 30-32 bestow Occasional Excellency Award to Ms. Priya Vardesh, organic farmer and founder COVID Task Force, for her exemplary service for the betterment of mankind and sustainable development, awarded on Saturday, the 5th June 2021 at Chennai, signed by Rotarian Joseph, President, Rotarian Raghunathan K.A. Secretary, Pari, Director of Occasional Services. We are proud to give this award. Thank you for accepting this award, Priya Vardesh. Over to MC.
Thanks a lot, sir. Ma'am Priya, ma'am, we would like to hear from you about your great journey.
Ellarkum Malai Vanakkam. I am really humbled to be receiving this award. I feel bad as just written with my name, because this award should be dedicated to like thousands of volunteers who have put a lot of time, their energy, their even personal money into it, reaching out. And we were working, and they were like almost like 300 plus volunteers who were on the road. You know, they were like waiting in the lines to get medicines, visiting people who were alone at home, like especially older people. They even went to the extent of performing funeral services. And if I have to name few, like the list wouldn't even end it, the entire session, just to name a few. But still, I would like to just mention few of the core volunteers. We started this COVID task force on April 25th, when my friend, as she introduced, like wanted to find a ventilator bed in Delhi. I have a lot of background in Delhi or connections in Delhi. So I joined hands with Aparna Jain, and Rajni, who's from Kodaikanal, and Aparna is from Delhi. And then many of my classmates, we started looking almost like 17 hours straight. We were looking for a bed. And we even like ended up calling the CM office, PM office multiple times. And one of my classmates, Kalarani, she's the one who finally found the ventilator bed. And by the time we found the bed, it was like almost 17 hours of search. And we had a lot of valid data, like, where you can get your oxygen cylinders refilled, where do you get your ambulances, and so many other details in Delhi, Gurgaon area. So then, like, I didn't want to wind up the group because we had a lot of useful data that I wanted to share it with other people who were looking for it. So we went and reached out to people who had posted on Instagram, on Twitter and everything. And so they would like come into the group to get more information, and people who ever received like help, they would stay back wanting to help more people. So that's how the volunteer pool like kind of exponentially grew. And from 5 people team, we in no time grew to like almost like 1,000 people, including the field volunteers. That was a tremendous growth in like just 6 weeks. We were like working straight 20 plus hours, and a lot of my very close friends and family, they supported us from the US, pretty much covering the entire like night hours, so we could rest a little bit. So if you like look at the US volunteers, Sharmila, Tharini, Arivendi, Raji, Kannan, and so many people. A lot of people, they worked only for like few days, but they did like tremendous help. So no help is small or big. So we had a massive team. And then like during the India hours, if you look at, we have like the list going pretty long, more than like longer than the Hanuman tail, I would say. Patam and Yogesh, Kirti. No, I can't even like list the name. It's like so many people. And a lot of your Rotarians were also there, part of our team, and a lot of doctors who would give counseling and also give, like, we didn't want to misguide the patients, so we would go for second opinion to the doctors. And even at middle of the night, like Dr. Mahalakshmi, Dr. Parthiban, Dr. Anuradha. Dr. Anuradha, actually, she even went to the patient's house to drop medicines. So, it's like unbelievable. And then like Dr. Saravanan, a lot of them from your own group also volunteered. And this award I should be dedicating to them as well. And one of my college juniors, Balasundaram, he was sick. And still he would go stand in the line to get remdesivir, to collect the tokens. So I really want to thank each and every single member. And while we were doing all this, we ended up creating almost like 20 plus WhatsApp groups. And WhatsApp, as you know, it's a data dump. We couldn't go back to the data. So we ended up having a small tech team. And the youngest volunteer of our team is 14-year-old, and also another 12th grader, Rahul Vignesh. He is the one like who created the patient farm and everything. And we also had Butpal and Dr. Jasdeep helping with the database. So it was so easy. They created a dashboard. We also worked with other volunteer groups like the Life Source, and we had a dashboard where we could go refer, pick up data right away. And, we were reaching out to a lot of patients. And right before the meeting started, one of the patient's brother, he called me. And that patient, the doctors had given him just 8 hours. This was like 10 days ago. And we didn't want to give up on the patient. His CT score was 21/25. And the doctor said, like, no way he's going to make it. And we still insisted we will take him to the hospital and try till he takes his last breath. And he is discharged tomorrow. There are like so many stories like this where the doctors had given up and still, like, you know, we were able to save lives. And it's been a humbling 6 weeks of journey. And now we are already heading to the next project where we will be focusing more on post-COVID rehabilitation, trying to help the orphaned children, destitute widows. And I already spoke with Reggie to give training, vocational training for all those widows. And few of our volunteers are connected online as well in this call. I think Sharmila is there, and I did see few people. And I would really like to dedicate this award to every single person who has offered their time and energy into this. And I'm very, very humbled, and thank you so much for the Rotary Club of Royapettah. Thanks a lot.
That was so nice of you, ma'am, dedicating your award to everyone. When the going gets tough, the tough gets going. Leading by example and inspiring thousands in their path, a few good Samaritans like you are winning hearts with your efforts, rising above the pandemic constraints and helping others in need. Today, the real COVID warriors like you are playing a pivotal role. Thanks a lot again, ma'am. May your good work continue for generations to come. Thanks again. ராமர் பாலம் கட்டும்போது ஒவ்வொரு அந்த அணில் கூட சின்ன ஹெல்ப் பண்ணிச்சான். அந்த மாதிரி every COVID warrior here you mentioned, they have embarked on this journey, and the final destination is really going to be great in destroying the common enemy, the COVID. Hope that day comes soon. Thanks again, ma'am. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you so much. And I'm really sorry if I have not mentioned, because there's not like few names I can list here. It's like so many names, and I would really like to thank every single person who has contributed into this COVID task force. Thank you so much for the opportunity.
So nice of you, ma'am. Thank you. Thanks again. Oh. May I request a Rotarian Ganesh to introduce the next hero of the day, Rotarian Rajkumar.
Good evening to all Rotarians, guest of honor Rotarian Devendran, and awardees of the day. I thank President and Vocational Awards team for giving me an opportunity to introduce Rotarian Rajkumar. The purpose of human life is to serve and to show compassion and the will to help others. As a standing example for this is Rotarian Rajkumar. Rotarian Rajkumar joined Rotary Club of Madras Metro as an honorary member in the year 2015. He was born in Dindugal in Tamil Nadu in the year 1961 and completed his post-graduation in MCOM and a CA-IIB banking course. He joined Indian Bank and held various senior positions to his credit. After serving 30 years, he took a voluntary retirement to serve public in full time, which nobody risks. He needs to be appreciated for this decision. He was married in the year 1961 to Anne Shamla and supported him in all his activities. He is blessed with 2 children, a daughter married and a son pursuing CA. I need a day to speak about Rotarian Rajkumar on his association with various organizations, achievements, workshops conducted, and his service to humanity. Due to time constraints, I am highlighting a few. A detailed profile has already been circulated in the RCR group for reference. He started promoting blood donation at the age of 18 since 1979 and conducted 1,425 camps and personally donated 60 times blood donation. He has prepared and presented 90 papers on blood donation. His life ambition is no one should die for want of blood. I repeat, no one should die for want of blood. He is planning to set up a model blood bank with the help of NGO at the earliest. He has also conducted various multi-speciality medical, dental, diabetic, hepatitis awareness camps. He is founder of Thalassaemic Society of Tamil Nadu and has special interest in treating thalassaemic children. He is providing honorary services to various organizations and has a lot of awards. To name a few, he was awarded with Paropakaramani, Makkal Nala Kavalar, Samaj Seva Pravina. I feel honored to introduce Rotarian Rajkumar on the occasion of getting occasional awards from RCF Raipeta. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thanks for introducing the great soul to us. Now it's time to honor him. I would request our chief guest to honor him with the award.
Yes, is Dev around?
I speak on mute, I guess.
Dev?
Oh, I got muted. Sorry, it was muted. Rotary Club of Raipeta, Rotary International District 3232 bestow Occasional Excellency Award to Rotarian R. Rajkumar, motivator and resource person for voluntary blood donations for his exemplary service for the betterment of mankind and sustainable development. Awarded on Saturday, the 5th June 2021, signed by Rotary Reggie Joseph, President, Secretary Raghunathan, and Director of Occasional Service, Rotarian Pari. We are honored by you accepting this award. Sir, thank you, Rotarian Rajkumar, for accepting this award. Over to MC.
Thanks a lot, sir, for conferring the award. We would now love to hear from you, Rotarian Rajkumar, sir.
Good evening to all. First of all, I would like to thank our chief guest, Rotarian Devendran, for giving this award. And my thanks to Rotarian Regis. I gave this my biodata and other things very long back. And after that, lot of services done which has not been included. And every day I'm doing service, which everyone knows. Today also I was talking with Ganesh for giving his nice introduction. You see, everything being given only by the Almighty. So I thought that I have born for this purpose. I have undertaken this work. For this, first my pranams to my parents. From them only, I learned the way of doing service, and service is the best way to reach the people and satisfy them. So I'm a member and the founder of nearly about 14, 15 trusts and societies, and everywhere I am a troop card. There are so many persons are there, but I will extend the service whenever, wherever, the way in which required. In that way, I will be doing it. And my pranams to my co-awardees, MSG and Priya Madam, for getting the vocational training award. So this blood donation, I never thought that I will do this work. I was only a career-oriented person and going on reading and getting, that is equipping myself from BCom to MCom to ICW to shorter this way, that way, CIB, like that. Suddenly, one of my friend came that you are a good organizer, take blood donation. So from that day, I stopped all my career on studies and entered into the service area. From then, in the year 1985 till now, I am undertaking the activities, for which I have to thank my teachers who were taught this in the school level. I was in Scout in school level, NCC and NSS in college level, everywhere I learned this service, service, service. So by service, we are getting the satisfaction. For that purpose only, I am doing it without expecting anything. Even today, I was sharing with Rotarian Ganesh that today we have given 2,200 packets of food, mask, biscuits, and water bottles to all the people in Government General Hospital, Omandura, Rayapeta, and Stanley. So this we are doing for past 1 month. So last COVID situation, the corporation has demanded us to give food. Every day we were giving 3,000 packets of food to the migrant laborers in Ambattur area. So they were supported by us all the 3 times, morning, lunch, and also dinner. So regarding the blood donation area, so I have taken it in a very smaller way and developed myself from my Indian Bank level. So first of all, I have to thank my bank for sparing me. Don't ask any question about my bank. I don't know nothing about bank. I never did anything in the banking services. No, I have never dealt any cash, not even 1 day. I was in head office for 30 years, and bank has permitted me to do this service. So I could able to reach more, and I got awards continuously 26 long years in the state of Tamil Nadu, highest donors from Indian Bank. I got from the year 1986 to 2011, 26 years we got the award from Tamil Nadu government for doing. Wonderful occasion what I did, when my bank was celebrating centenary year, I thought in what way I can contribute. I want to conduct 100 camps and mobilize 100 donors. So I did it. 10,800 donors in a single year by way of conducting 100 camps on the society. Like that, we are getting a lot of support from the society. And one story I want to tell you. In the year 1988, I was traveling in the train. 2 parents were quarreling between them. They were scolding their child by name Lakshmi. And why they are scolding? Because generally whenever we travel, somebody is scolding, our eyes, our ear, everything will go to them only to hear what they are telling, what is happening like that. So I heard. And finally in the quarrel, I got one word, that is blood. So that means they need blood for the child. The child was affected by thalassemia. So at the age was 5 in the year 1988. Immediately asked what happened, what blood do you want? I want A positive because my group is A positive. Instead of getting down in beach station, I got down along with them in Egmore. I went along with them to Children's Hospital. I donated blood for that particular child and came back. What happened immediately, it does not stop. Then they called me and told, sir, every 25 days we are running to pillar to post. And unless we get the blood, our child cannot be saved. Okay, what we can do? I consulted my chairman. Chairman has permitted. Immediately, Indian Bank adopted the child. I formed a group of same A positive persons, 10 persons, and we continuously donated blood for her in every 25 days, remove the agony of their parents. And it was in the year 1988, June 27, we adopted the child. Now, June 2021, 33 years. 462 bottles blood it has been given to a single child. We are not a medical person. We are a non-medical, but we have a heart at right place to save the people. So one should have the mind to do any service. We can do multiple service and running old age home also in 2-3 places. And when they die, we are giving their eyes. So by which eye donation is catching up. 72 pairs of eyes so far is being given. Yeah, the old age people, they are keeping quiet. They want to do something. We started making use of them and then ask them to teach lessons for the in and around that area. So education is developing. So like that, we can do a lot of service which you are doing, I am doing, everybody is doing. Somebody is with knowingly doing, somebody is unknowingly they are doing. Service, service, service. That is the Taraka mantra. And one is as already quoted, that is when vocational training director Pari was selling Dhanam. So for doing Dhanam, you need not have money at all. Without money, you can do, if time permits, one day we can discuss. A to Z, you can write from A to Z. There are so many areas which we can do without money. Without money, so many donors that is we can do. And you may wonder to that is receive one news. In Tirupati, Devasthana, everyone knows. Balaji, everyone knows. Laddu, everyone knows. But if you see their balance sheet, their income, more they are getting than Laddu from the hair. In the some years back, I gave a lecture for the L&T executives, cashless donation. At the time, I quoted this one. So they got at that during that year, 3 or 4 years back, 220 crores by way of selling hair. So we should not sometimes colloquially or locally the hair they are using differently by scolding a person in the Tamil word. So they will don't say like that. So by hair it is giving a very income for a very bold, wonderful Lord organization that is Tirupati. So now I thank you very much. I don't want to take more time. Thanks a lot for giving this award. Thank you, thank you, thank you, Regis. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir, for the very inspiring speech. It is said that if you donate money, you give food. But if you donate blood, you give life. You don't have to be a doctor to save lives. You just have to donate blood. And also, the great insights from you, philanthropy is not about money. It's about feeling the pain of others and caring enough about their needs to help. The results of philanthropy are always beyond calculation. And here we have 3 philanthropists in the midst of us today. And we are greatly inspired by your lives, all 3 lives. Thanks again for coming over here and accepting the awards. Rotarian Rajkumar, Mr. M.S. Gopal, and Priya Vardesh. Thanks again. Thanks a lot for your presence and inspiration.
Just one line I would like to add here. Kindly bear with us because we are not able to hand over these plaques to you in person. However, once the lockdown is lifted, at least we'll try and reach it to you in person, or at least by courier it'll reach to you. Because one of our awardees is in Madurai at the moment, and the other 2 are in Chennai. So this will reach you definitely once the lockdown is lifted. Kindly bear with us for that.
Now, let us get into the next part of our today's function, inducting of new members. There are several milestones that are life-altering. We go through life so focused on career and family. But at some point, we realize that we must give back to the society, to the community. We believe that joining Rotary is one of those life-altering moments. And now, here is a moment for some of our new members. I request our Rotarian Saravanan to introduce our new members of RCR.
Thank you, Anne Sita. So good evening, one and all. Good evening, Chief Guest of the Day, Rotarian Dev. AG, Rotarian Ajay Gupta, my co-president. GGR, Rotarian Vedavalli, the heroes and heroes of the day, the awardees, Mr. Gopal, Ms. Priya Vardesh, Rotarian Rajkumar, and the most important to be inducted family members of Rotary Club of Rayapeta, the 6 new gems to get added. Dear Rotarians, aunts, annettes, invited guests, and friends of Rotary, good evening. So as you all know, Rotary is an international organization started in 1905 by Paul Harris at Chicago, Illinois, USA. And this is the 121st year of Rotary. And incidentally, 2020 is the centennial year of Rotary in India. So 2020 marks the 100 years of presence of Rotary in India. So one unique thing about Rotary, it's one of the largest, I would say there are 2 organizations simultaneously. One is the Lions and Rotaries. I would also like to say the basic difference between these 2 clubs. One of the biggest organization of non-government organization doing service is Rotary, and it has 1.2 million members to its fold. It's called as Rotarians and spread over 130 countries. So what are the benefits you are going to get? As the Rotary nomenclature says, of course, it helps to discuss your community needs and develop creative ways to meet them, connect with other leaders who are changing the world, expand your leadership and professional skills, catch up with good friends and meet new ones. Incidentally, don't think Rotary is a community service or a service organization alone. It's an organization to come together, become friends, integrate, and then do social service at whatever way we can do. So that is the intent of Rotary. So keeping this in mind, the basic difference between Lions and Rotary, which I would always like to say, is Rotary is number one, a bottoms-up organization, and all the members, to be inducted members, please note, you are into a Rotary Club by invitation. So we from the Rotary Club of Royapettah, part of District R3232, take your nominations, scrutinize it, and we invite you on behalf of Rotary International into our club. So this is a unique thing which none of the NGOs or none of the clubs would be, none of the organizations would be doing it. So that is the uniqueness of Rotary. So with that, I don't want to take much of others' time, and I will start going into the 6 members who are going to be inducted into our club. It goes with the alphabetical order. To start with, Mr. Manikannan. Mr. Manikannan.
Yeah, good evening, everyone.
Yeah, good evening, Mr. Manikannan. So Manikannan was born in and working in Gemco Limited, a Caterpillar partner or Caterpillar dealer who is heading the parts and workshop operations in India. Basically, he is a diploma in mechanical engineer and did his BS in engineering and did his post-graduation in WPM. He is currently a senior general manager of Gemco Limited and based out of Chennai. And he is married to Lata, and he has 2 kids to his fold, Pradeep Kumar and Keshav, who are in school as of now. And if I go by his credentials, he was working with Marshall and Sons for a small period of time before moving on to Gemco Limited. From 1989 till date, he is there in that organization. And you can see in the screen about his passion, what Manikannan is in favor of. He plays cricket, badminton, cycling, and jogging. Most probably, I have seen him most of the time posting in Facebook about after completing his jogging and marathon running. So with this in small introduction, I would like to introduce induct, or I would say get on fold into our club, Mr. Manikannan. The second person, yeah. Thank you, Manikannan. The second person whom I want to get introduced is Mr. Perumal Swami. Can you put on mute? Yeah, thank you. Mr. Perumal Swami was born in 1973 at Tirupattur district, and he is the managing director of his own organization he has started, and his qualification is diploma in mechanical engineering. So he is married to Porkodi, who is an inspector in Tamil Nadu Police Department, and he has 2 children, one female, Jayashree Darshini, and a male, Yashwant Shri. And as he goes, he lives in Kolattur in Chennai, and his positions are this employment as it goes. He was in Specialty Cartons India Limited as a plant supervisor. Then he moved on to Sri Venkateshwara Traders as the proprietor, and currently he is the managing director of Nadigai Private Limited. So as the presentation goes, you can see his passion is again, we have our awardee aligned to her, organic farming and natural medicine. So welcome Perumal Swami Pillai to our fold into Rotary Club of Royapettah. So now I have the pleasure of introducing the third new member, Seema Warrior from Singapore. Seema Warrior was born in 1975, and she was a post-graduation in HR. She studied as an undergraduate in Loyola, and she is currently working for Standard Chartered Bank as a senior manager HR. and she is has a daughter, Malavika Warrior, and she is doing her schooling there. And earlier, currently she is a senior HR business partner for Scope International, and she is now the Standard Chartered HR working for Singapore. And she is a member of a professional body earlier, NHRD. So as it goes, she is a classical dancer and a trainer. So welcome Seema on Fold to RCR, and have a great tenure here. Next introduction is Mr. Shivaraman. There are going to be 2 Shivaramans, and so he classified himself as Shivan Ram. Shivanum Nane, Ramun Nane Mathikitaru. He is Shivan Ram, and he is born in Aruppukkottai, Varsha Solal 31st July Nirthikitaru, and he is a project manager. He is basically a mechanical engineer, a project manager working for a company called Better India Private Limited, and he is married to Niranjana, and he has 2 sons, Darun and Manoj, and he lives in Ananagar West. And he was working in associated with 2 organizations before joining Better, IBM and Siemens. And his passion, as you see on the screen, is wildlife photography. Camera oda irupparu, and he has posted numerous pictures, photos in social media as well. Welcome Shivan Ram to RCR, and have a great journey with us. The next person to be inducted into our fold is Mr. Sivaraman Ambalam. We call him shortly Shiva. And okay, the interesting part about Shivaraman was he was associated with our organization, where most of our members are there. In Caterpillar earlier, it was called Hindustan Motors. So he's running his own company, and he's an HR and management who has an HR and management consultant firm. His basic qualification is BSc and MBA, and he is married to Parvati Palaniyappan. He has 2 children, Guru Prasad and Ratish. He lives in Chennai, and he worked in different organizations before starting his own organization. He was working for Relix India Private Limited as HR director. He was with Tyco, he was with Ashok Leyland, and earlier with Caterpillar. Earlier it was now called as Hindustan Motors. If you go by his hobbies, he loves music, he loves reading and watching TV. And with this, I think I welcome Mr. Sivaraman into our RCR family, and have a great tenure in Rotary. And the last introduction, going by the chronological order of alphabets, is Mr. Venkateshan, whose spouse we introduced earlier as Anne Kala, who sang our invocation song. So Mr. Venkatesh was a BE mechanical engineer, and he has his own organization to go with. He is the chief consultant and founder of JV Consulting, and he lives in Madanandapuram, Chennai, near Porur. And he is married to Kalavati Venkateshan, and he has a list of different organizations to which he was associated, starting with Hitachi, Arcom, Vodafone, Telenor, Ornado, Aircel, and finally as the chief consultant of JV Consulting. So his hobbies goes like he's an avid reader, a chess player, and a traveler. So with that, and of course, Mrs. Kalavati is a classical singer and a guru, and we all heard her divine voice as our invocation song. With this introduction, I think I welcome Mr. Venkateshan into our fold as a member of our illustrious club. It's a 20-year-old club, and we are miles to go in that. Over to MC to do the honors and formally induct the new introduction members into our club to Ajay Gupta. Ajay, you are on mute. Ajay, you are on mute.
Yeah, now it's okay?
Yeah, now it's okay, Ajay. Yeah, you can go ahead.
First of all, President Reggie and Director of Vocational Service Devendran, and my co-president of this club, GGR Vedwali. Every vocational award ceremony is a humbling experience. So is this.
when you find these kind of amazing personalities. And let me tell you, these new members also, that being a part of Rotary, you'll also be tending towards that line of thinking where you contribute and have a sense of purpose of giving to the society. So let us go to the formal part of inducting you as a member of this August Club. Mr. Manikannan, Mr. Parimal Swami, Ms. Seema Warrior, Mr. R. Sivanram, Mr. A. Sivaraman, and Mr. J. Venkatesan. Each of you have been chosen to be member in Rotary Club of Royapettah because your fellow members believe you to be a leader in your vocation in the community and because of your personal qualities which we believe will make you as a good Rotarian. By joining Rotary Club of Royapettah today, you become a part of a worldwide organization of business and professional leaders who are united in fellowship to provide humanitarian service, to encourage high ethical standards in all locations, and to create goodwill and achieve peace throughout the world. Well, whenever you meet in person, each of you will be presented with a Rotary pen, which you should be wearing at all times. This will identify you as a Rotarian and will assure your entry and warm welcome to more than 35,000 Rotary clubs in over 200 countries spread across the world. Unfortunately, because of the Zoom meeting, these kind of events are very energetic and very bubbly events, but because of this, it looks like a very placid kind of affair. Anyway, henceforth, you will be called Rotarian. So Rotarian Manikannan, Rotarian Parimal Swami, Rotarian Seema Warrior, Rotarian Sivanram, Rotarian A. Sivaraman, and Rotarian J. Venkatesan. It is a pleasure that I now extend each of you a hearty welcome as a member of Rotary Club of Royapettah. Fellow Rotarians, request all of you to welcome all of them with warm applause. Thank you. Thank you.
Thanks to our AG Rotarian Ajay Gupta for the formal induction of our new members. Welcome to our club new members. We know that we will receive in help and service, which will enable us to be better Rotarians, and we most heartily offer you the right hand of Rotary Fellowship. On behalf of the Rotary Club of Royapettah and Rotary International, may I welcome you into the Rotary wheel, which faces inward for friendship and fellowship and outward in service to our community and to the world. Welcome again, new Rotarians. May I now request our Rotarian Sashi ma'am to introduce the chief guest of today's function, Rotarian Devendran.
Good evening, friends, Rotarians, aunts, my co-presidents, and guests. You're able to hear me?
Yeah.
First of all, let me congratulate all the 3 vocational service awardees. Congratulations. William Shakespeare once rightly said that some are born great, some achieve greatness, and some have greatness thrust upon them. I think we have all category of people assembled here. Like our president, Rotarian Reggie, born great and doing great. We are also celebrating the people who have achieved greatness through their action and efforts. And of course, people like me, greatness thrust upon us is all my friends in Rotary. Jokes apart, of course, the person whom I'm introducing has also achieved through his constant effort. I have known him, that is Rotarian Devendran, since 2014-15, when I became the president of RCR and he was my co-president. Coincidentally, he shares his wedding anniversary with me. And so we remember that day and wish each other same to you. About Devendran, he studied at St. Joseph Anglo-Indian Higher Secondary School, Veperi. He graduated from DG Vaishnava College, Arumbakam. He started his career in logistics in the year 1989 and also diversified in the field of textile, flat promotion, real estate, and so on. He has his Rotary connections. He is a charter member of Rotary Club of Annanagar Aditya and served the club in various avenues of service. In 2014-15, served as a light-up president under the able leadership of DG Rotarian ISA Kenaza, who is also from his club. During his presidentship, he was awarded Rotary All-Round Silver Trophy. About his Rotary ladder that he climbed. He became a GGR Rotary District 3230 in 2015-16, Regional Chairman, Membership Development, Rotary District 3230 in 2016-17, Assistant Governor, and he was declared one of the best Assistant Governor in 17-18. He made history by being world largest Rotractor as District Rotract Chairman in 2019 and 20. And presently, he's a director for District Occasional Service. He has donated $40,000 to Rotary Foundation. And his passion and his life, he's serving as an executive committee member for Andhra Social and Cultural Association, Tinagar. He has traveled more than 30 countries. He's married to Anne Archana, a pranic healer and a trainer, and blessed with 2 children. Abhilash graduated in mechanical engineering, now into CHA business, and Amrita Varshini graduated BTech Biotechnology. We wish him all the very best for his future endeavors. Last but not the least, I'll be failing if I don't mention that the Pongal Villa that he organized when we were presidents in his farm is an unforgettable experience. Thanks for that, Dave. I still remember those days. With this, I proudly present before you my good friend in Rotary and my co-president, Rotarian Devendran. Thank you.
Thank you, my good friend, my co-president. Wonderful introduction. Somebody introducing you gives you some hormones, praising one, you will be happy. I'll make it Tamil and English. Suresh, thank you very much. As I always, if you give introduction, they'll talk big about us. And today is very good evening. The occasional, the invocation song. That is the power of Rotary Club of Rayapetta. இன்னைக்கு தான் ரோட்டரியில வராங்க, and you are given an opportunity for them to be part of your family. எடுப்பு அதிருதுடா என்ற மாதிரி you guys are very great. And Kala they did a very good invocation song. Thank you, madam and Kala. Excellent taking the 1.5 hours. We start a little bit later, but excellent takeover and speech by and Sita. Please put your hand together for these people taking the program very nicely. The president, AG, my good friend and my co-president, my officer, he is an IAS officer. IRS officer. I salute his presence. He's coming here as Assistant Governor Ajay Gupta, Secretary Raghunathan, Director of Occasional Services, Rotarian Party, very active Rotarian in the district those days, I think, and GGR, past president, immediate past president from Porur Club, Vedavalli, President-elect Rotarian Dr. Sendil Kumar, a special recognition for you, President-elect. I can see his picture, he is fully and PPE and he is attending. That shows the dedication of your incoming leader, Sendil Kumar. Special appreciation. You have a great leader for RCR. Awardees of the day, M. Gopal, Priya, Rotarian Rajkumar, new members inducted by our AG Ajay Kumar, Ajay Gupta Sari, to be read today onwards, Rotarian Manikannan, Rotarian Perumal Swami, Rotarian Seema Warrior from Singapore. Now your family is spread from India to Singapore also. So your international Rotary Club now, very proud of it. Rotarian Sivaraman R, Rotarian Sivaraman A, and Rotarian Venkatesh J. Unme solrathukla Venkatesh J, our family involved pantinga. Other visiting Rotarians, special recognition of Gopal's son, one of the awardees' son, Sriram Gopal from USA. So we are having an audience from USA early morning. He is there with us for the program that shows the family bonding. And Annette Shriya shows that is the important, that shows the strength of this club. And other visiting rotation, I saw my co-president Suresh from Coromandel, thank you. But last but not the least, members of Rotary Club of Rayapetta, friends, family, and visiting Rotarians, very, very happy evening. Vocational Excellency Award for 3 eminent people. I was spellbound. They are accepting the speech. MS Gopal Ardal Priya Vardesh Ardal Rajkumar. They dedicated their awards. This is the strength of our country. This is what the people are astonished. Basis the culture of our country. They dedicated to the family members, to the wife, to the children. Every all person, especially Priya, exemplary leader, MS Dhoni Mare, she dedicated the entire speech was dedication to her team. That is the true qualities. All the 3. And I spellbound once again when Rajkumar was telling, Indian Overseas Bank and Valley Seller and the cash pati but he has given reputation for 26 continuous years. Government of Tamil Nadu is awarding the bank. Excellent service there. And his blood donation, Danathil Siradha Dhanam, Ratta Dhanam. What is the Ratta Dhanam importance or point? In the exams, Sirutuli, 2 drops of ink in the examination hall will save the importance of that. Drop of how important on the blood donation under the blood donation during the summer. A lot of blood banks will be dried up because the colleges are closed. We used to do, but very salute you for Rajkumar Rotarian. You are doing excellent job. Fantastic appreciation. I should appreciate the Rotary Club of Rayapetta, the committee who was selected. All the 3 awardees. Fantastic. Very, very happy evening for me to be a part of this function and giving these awards to the wonderful awardees. You should know once they receive the awards, the organization, award who is giving, not XYZ. It is international organization. The Paul Harris is the founder of this organization from USA, Chicago. He died in the age of 79, but he started this organization in 1905. He was 37 years, within this 37 years of his hard work, he saw this organization, Rotary Club, the Chicago Club, Rotary Club of Chicago, into international organization. He was able to see the growth of his organization. Fantastic basic principles of Rotary. You're all joined as new members also joined because of occasion you are taken. Such a wonderful organization is this organization, which is existing for 116 years and 200 plus countries, 35,000 clubs in and around the world. Such is an organization who has given this award. Because of receiving this award, we are all honored. And as such an organization is giving, you will also be honored by receiving this wonderful excellency, vocational excellency award. Coming to new members. New members, once again, I welcome all the new members in the Rotary family. You have joined one of the best clubs in our Rotary district 3232. RC Rayapetta past presidents are very active. For example, I have been invited as this chief guest for this evening function. 3 past presidents called me. President illame 3 past presidents called me and said, Dev, we are happy to receive you. That shows the involvement of past presidents. That shows that they care about this growth of this club. And for example, now only we said, they just now inducted 5 members, one member invocation song involved pannirukanga. That shows the retention of membership. 19 years completed, teenage mudiyudu. So they are matured enough, and they are shows that they are doing excellent job. Rayapeta, you have already, I know you are already donated a lot of money for pet projects of our DG. Keep on donating for our programs. First, before going through the last part of my program, my speech, vocational services is the second avenue of services. Number Pari Sonar already introduction speech, because first avenue of service is club services. The first project of our under vocational service is donating a horse, Gudra Kudutanga, in 1907, which is not recorded because Rotary is an organization that has basic principles, recording each and every action. Over Rubaikam, we will record, over project we will record. Such an organization, to 1907, we didn't record it. Gudra Kurtanga or doctor, and doctor, doctors used to go to villages for serving the needy people. Appa caught ladam pono, Gudra ladam pono. And point serve panin the Gudra, he was not able to travel. So the Rotary Club of Chicago, we gave them donation as an horse. So there it started. The first donation is an horse. Vocational services, like we will keep on donating, training, lot of projects we do for training, visiting industrials. We go and speak to the young people, young Rotractors in Rotary clubs to share our experience as a vocational leader. These are the few activities we do under vocational services. This is the purpose of vocational services, and this is the organization, as I said, an excellent organization we joined. Once again, as I welcome all the new members, sir, you have joined a very good club and Soliachi. Keep on engaging. We have done Rayapeta Club, have done orange projects, latest projects, what our district is doing, COVID project. I believe our president will take up the COVID project, which has been done for this COVID period under the leadership of our Muthupallaiyappan district governor, ably supported by our chairman Bothra, who has given an excellent chairmanship as Navaratra. He is a person to be supported for the success. I don't want to take much of the time. Already we have crossed 7:45. I thank the president and members of Rotary Club of Rayapeta for giving me the opportunity to be the chief guest of this wonderful evening, awarding 3 excellent awardees and bring 6 new members to this Rotary Club, Rotary movement. Thank you for the opportunity. Thank you.
Thanks a lot, sir.
Thank you
for the wonderful speech. Now it's time for us to hear from our club secretary, Rotarian Raghuraman, for the secretary announcements.
Yeah. Am I audible? Am I audible, Sita?
Yeah, you are.
Yeah. Thank you, everyone. So let's go with the secretary announcement for the day. I'll cover the birthdays and anniversaries for the next coming week. So today is a special day. We have one of our charter members is celebrating their wedding anniversary, Rotarian TD Vasu and Shanti. Happy wedding anniversary, sir. And we also have a birthday for our Shanti tomorrow, which is on 6th June. And 7th June, we have one more wedding anniversary for one of our important member, Rotarian Rajkumar and Vijayata Prabha. And 8th June, we have a Rotarian birthday for Dr. Ashok. And then followed by 8th June, we have an Anne birthday, Meenakshi, wife of Rotarian Suresh R. And 9th June, none other than our club services director Subbu and Sita Lakshmi is celebrating their wedding anniversary. And 9th June, again, Anne Arini is celebrating her birthday. 12th June, followed by Rotarian birthday, Rajkumar. And then 12th June, we have a wedding anniversary for Rotarian Bala and Uma Balasubramaniam. Finally, the last one for the week, 16th June, we have Rotarian Shashi Suresh, celebrating her birthday. So these are the birthdays and anniversaries for next coming week, and wishing you all happy birthday and advance wishes for your anniversaries. You'll be getting a special notice for that. Coming to the important events which is going to happen in coming week, very important event which is going to happen tomorrow is District Assembly Training for the year 2021-2022, which is going to happen through virtual platform 6th June. Request you all to attend that meeting without absence. And next important meeting for RCR is installation. We will be having our RCR installation for the year 2021-22, which is again on 13th June, which will happen through virtual platform Zoom. And our President-elect Dr. Sendil Kumar and First Lady Dr. Subhadini and Secretary-elect Rotarian Subramaniam and Ann Sita will be inducted. Thank you. That is for the Secretary announcement. Thanks, Sita. Over to you.
I would again request you to give the vote of thanks.
Yeah. So thank you all. Thank you. Coming to the vote of thanks for this special event, Vocational Award, I would like to start this with the Thirukural, which is from Arathupal Adhigaram, Sei Nandri Aridal, Gratitude. Kalathinal Seida Nandri Siridhanilum Nanathil Mana Peridu. இந்த குரல் எனக்கு தெரிஞ்சு இந்த ஈவெண்ட்டுக்கு ரொம்ப ஆப்டா இருக்கும்னு நினைக்கிறேன். உற்ற காலத்தில் ஒருவன் செய்த உதவி சிறிதாக இருந்தாலும் அதன் தன்மை அறிந்தால் அது உலகை விட மிக பெரியதாகும். ஸோ நம்மளோட 3 அவார்டிஸும் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா இந்த டைம்ல, அதாவது திஸ் பர்டிகுலர் பேண்டமிக் டைம்ல, வாட் எவர் தே ஆர் டூயிங் கான்ட்ரிபியூஷன் டு த சொசைட்டி, it is not small at all. Even if it looks small, definitely on the time it will look bigger than the world. That is the explanation. I would like to start with this Thirukural. Thank you all. Good evening to everyone, respected ladies and gentlemen. As we come close to this Vocational Services Award event, on behalf of Rotary Club of Rayapeta, it gives me an immense pleasure to deliver a word of thanks to this August gathering year. My very special thanks to Chief Guest Rotarian Devendran, Director Vocational Services for the year 2021, and thanks for your motivational speech, sir. Insights about Hall Harris, Rotary organization, what is vocational services. Really, it is very good to know the first donation in a vocational service is an horse to a doctor by Rotary Club of Chicago in the year 1907. And thank you also for explaining about prestigious Vocational Excellence Award. And thanks for giving credit to RCR Strength and Bonding, and special note about donation, especially in blood donation in particular. Thank you for your motivation speech, sir, and thank you for presenting RCR award to the award winners. I take immense pleasure in extending my gratitude to all special invitees from Rotary District RI 3232, Assistant Governor Rotarian Ajay Gupta, District 3232, and GGR Rotarian Vedavalli, District 3232. Award winners, Mr. M.S. Gopal, Priya Vardhani, and Dr. Rajkumar, thank you for your presence and thanks for accepting the awards from Rotary Club of Rayapeta. As our Director Vocational Services mentioned, this will be a small catalyst for your services, what you are doing. Please continue your great service. Definitely you will reach heights. I extend my heartfelt thanks to one and all who have helped to make this virtual award event a grand success. I have to specially mention the contributions made by all past presidents of Rotary Club of Rayapeta. Special thanks to charter members, Rotarian TD Vasu and Rotarian Thirumulai. I extend my sincere thanks to Ann Kala for a pleasant invocation song, and it's a very, very nice and very divine voice, ma'am. I'm very happy to extend my sincere thanks to Master of Ceremonies, which is none other than ever smiling hand, Mrs. Sita Subramaniam, who anchored the event in a structured way, maintained the spirit throughout the event. We have almost spent 1 hour 47 minutes with a delay of 7 minutes, but we never felt like that. Thanks for that organizing. My sincere thanks to the event chair, I would say Rotarian Dr. G. Saravanan, who planned each and every aspect of this event, the man behind the success, who used to do the meticulous planning. Thanks to Rotarian Ganesh, Rotarian Sashi Suresh, and Anand Streya Reggie for their valuable contribution during this event. I extend my sincere thanks to our Vocational Services Director, Rotarian Pari Sridhathan, and CSD Rotarian Subramaniam for conducting this event in a successful manner. Finally, the man in limelight, President Rotarian Reggie Jose, who is known for his professionalism and commitment. Thank you, Reggie, for conducting this event in a very professional way. Last but not least, I would express my sincere thanks to all RCR members, aunts, all new members, Mr. Manikannan, Mr. Perumal Swami, Mrs. Seema Warrior, Mr. Sivan Raman, Mr. Sivaram, and Mr. J. Venkatesh. Welcome to this RCR family. Our family members, friends, well-wishers, 50 plus participants who are all connected with us for this gala event. Please enjoy the friendship by connecting virtually. There is an option available for us now. Have fellowship at your own place. Be safe. Wish you all happy and healthy life. Thanks for the opportunity. Thank you all.